Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Devin. It's Sunday, so you know it's Grub Day. Welcome back to Sunday Grubs episode 4. And in today's video, we are going to be reviewing Remington James Bodybuilding Breakfast Bagel. So let's get started here with the ingredients. So here are my ingredients right here. Very quick and simple. I'm making 2 servings, one for me, one for my fiance. So to start it off, we got Lender's Bagels. Is what he has. So we're gonna have 2 of these. Then he has fat-free cheese. I don't know where he finds it. I have never seen any fat-free cheese ever here at any of my Walmarts, Albertsons. So the closest I got is Velveeta cheese. It's 35 calories. His is 30 calories, and mine's like a 5-calorie difference. And then I got honey uncured ham, and I have the natural roast beef. So slight differences here. Oh yeah, and also gotta get egg whites and butter, 0-calorie butter spray, right? So now I'm just gonna weigh out all of my ingredients for this. Starters, I should have got a plate to weigh this out. 1 second. Okay, so I got my plate here. So yep, got my plate. I'm just gonna make sure that this is on grams. All right, it's on grams. Let me like reset it. Okay, boom. So for the cold cuts here, it's going to be 56 grams each. So let me like weigh this out. All right, so now we got the cold cuts weighed out. I'm just gonna do so for reset. And do it for 92 grams of egg whites is what you're gonna need here. So you can see here I'm getting ready to cook. So also what you wanna do, I should have ripped this off already. Give me a flip. I got like half of it off.
A few moments later.
Alright, there we go. Should be good now? So now just put some coating on it. Wants a spray. What's the spray? Why are you no spray? There we go. Got the spray out of the way for the bagels. Also gonna get some non-stick butter spray on the grill. And they said go butter side down. So as you can see, I got the video right here because I don't know what I'm doing. So butter side down. Then also says to get the egg whites. I bought this little grill just for this. Little grill, little mini like 1 egg skillet. So I'm just gonna heat that up. Then put this on and then get my egg whites here, and we're just gonna put all that in. Alright, so now I'm gonna watch the video, see what else to do. Okay, so it's set to also cook the meat also at the same time on the grill. Let's do that. If I can move these little pieces, please move, please, and thank you. There we go. I don't think I was supposed to put this side down, so I put it back up. There we go. Okay, so here's my attempt to flip an egg. Alright. To be honest, I'm quite surprised. I was not expecting to do that, to be honest. Okay, so it looks like my bagels are probably done. So at least I'm just gonna flip them over. Let's see, I'm still unorganized. I'm getting better at cooking, guys. I am slowly getting better at cooking. Let me see. Might be time to flip the meat. All right. And then cheese. I gotta put cheese on top. So, okay, so it looks like our egg whites are pretty much done here. So I'm just gonna, if I can grab it, steady. This thing is big. Oh my. Just gonna slide it off. Just gonna put it here for now. And then do a quick little more non-stick. And then we're gonna pour in the second batch here. Okay, so I think my bagels are pretty much done here. So I'm just gonna take them off. Almost burnt myself doing this right now, guys. Oh no, don't stick. There's the one. Okay. So I'm put it right here. Okay. Then now, I'm just gonna put on these meats. First, I'm gonna grab the last plate here. I don't know where to put it. We're just gonna put it there. Don't panic, Devin. Don't panic. Don't panic. Okay, so put this here. Then take these meats off. And just due to time, we're just gonna slap that down. Okay. So just gonna check on the egg too while we're at it. Egg probably is good. It looks good. So we're just gonna flip this. Ah, good, good. I like this. I recommend getting one of these. These are pretty awesome. So now almost everything is done. Okay, so since pretty much everything is done here, now we're gonna start the build. So let me just take these off real quick. Whoop, whoop. You don't go on yet. It's not your turn. Wait your turn. Okay, so the build, how much, look at that sting, whoo baby. So pretty much how this is gonna work is that the ham goes first on it. So we'll take the bigger top, or the bottom I should say. And then we're gonna put the ham on first. Now, what we're going to do is put your egg white, and then you're gonna fold it in half. Ooh, looks pretty nice right here. So you're gonna fold it in half, and then take the second meat, you're gonna put it on top, and then you're gonna put the bottom. This thing, right? So this is the sandwich. This thing is a lot huger in person, okay? I thought it'd be like a little itty bitty thing. This thing is huge. So I'm just gonna do the same for the second one here. So now, to test drive it. That's weird. That was a weird saying. I meant we're gonna eat this. We're gonna try eating this now. All right, guys, welcome to mi dormitorio. We are about to try these bad boys out. What are you doing back there? I just saw your hands moving. You're I'm a very, what's it? I don't know what it's called. You move your hands a lot? Gesturing. I'm a very gesturing kind of person.
Gesturing?
Yeah. That, I don't know. All right, so you're gonna get yours. Here's your bad boy. Like, cheers to anabolic breakfast. All right, let's get this back. Let's try this out. Mmm.
Are you good?
I was choking. Oh, I was choking. It's good. It's good. Sorry for choking. I choke a lot. I choke my own saliva, honestly. I did last night. So, but overall, this is really good. I really like this. I'm gonna put the macros up on here somewhere on the screen so you guys see the actual macros. I just know it's like a high protein breakfast bagel here, but it's really good. I really recommend this. So you wanna outro us out?
What's your outro?
Wow.
Comment and subscribe to the channel.
So on that note, thank you so much here for watching. I'm gonna do it right. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Please just give us a like. It really helps out. Let me know in the comment section if you're gonna try this out. If you did, do you like it? And also anything. I love doing Sunday grubs because I can't cook. So it's kind of entertaining to watch me struggle, I feel like. So comment down what you want me to try next. Thank you so much there, and have a good one.